Hello folks, today I'm gonna doing a collaboration with the Bollywood child actor Rahul Singh of 90s era. He's a good friend and an awesome human being. So guys, you can also catch him on Instagram. Actor filmmaker Rahul Singh is most popular known as Master Rinku for many yesteryear films. So I'm gonna post the link in the description box below. So guys, please visit there and watch his videos up to his channel. Really gonna be appreciated for that. Thank you so much. Wow, beautiful salmon, coconut cream with the mango pulp, mushroom, avocado oil, and we're gonna use some onion, some garlic, dill, chilli, salt, paprika, pepper powder, pinch of salt, some pepper, paprika, some fresh lime, everything is ready guys. Let's go for the next step. On medium heat, let it roast for 4 minutes, then I'm gonna change the side. Okay, flip it over. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. So nice. Simmer, garlic. After 30 seconds, onion and the chili. Cooking after 3 minutes on slow heat. There's no more raw smell. Gonna add mushroom. Adding some salt, some paprika, pepper powder, again cooking after 3 minutes. I'm going to add dill. At this point, I am going to use mango coconut cream. Oh, wow. My goodness. Wow. Gonna add some pinch of salt, some fresh lime. Now it's time to add fish. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add some dill, turn of feet.